Hello, so I have been asked this week if ServiceMate can work as a quoting tool for companies such as bathroom fitters. So I've got a demo account on ServiceMate, which is what this one is. It says test company, but it's my demo account. And what I've done is I've quickly thrown together a example of how it would work. So this is just a quick demo. It's not everything in, but it'll give you the idea of what it can do. So we'll click on bathroom install test. We're going to put in client name. We're going to pretend we're putting an email in. So I'll put in one of mine. Job address, as you start typing, it will be automatically searching for you for local places to you where it might be. So we'll choose that. And then what I've done is I've put images on here because this is what the client has requested. So they want to be able to give an idea of a shower. So these are just pulled off Google and they might not be relevant, but you'll get the idea. Each one of these choices does have its own dedicated price attached to it, which again can be built in and changed whenever needed. So for this example, I quite like the look of number 2, so I'm going to choose that. I'm then given 2 different choices of tiles and 2 different choices of mirrors. Again, you can add more features. So I quite like this tile. So by me clicking on that, it's then asking me at the bottom what the square meterage is for that tile. So I'm going to say it's a 50 square meter bathroom. And I want mirror 2 because it's quite big. And then I'll press select time. Then it's going to send the inquiry to me because I'm not giving the option to book online. That's then going to ping over to me as an inquiry. So here we are in the demo account, and you can see here the online inquiries come through. Now it won't show me the image that they've chosen because that only works on the online booking page. You don't actually see it in ServiceMate. And it is a feature that ServiceMate are looking at adding later on, which is at least good. But it will tell when they chose shower 2, tile choice 2, mirror 2, and that they wanted 50 square meters. What I can then do is we will convert that to a job because they've just sent it through as an inquiry. So the job has now pulled up and it's now telling me what it is that they want. What it's also done is based on the prices I've put in, it's giving me a price list. So shower 2 I've got in there at 480, mirror 2 600. These are based on supply and fit, and then I've said 50 square meters at 81.60 per square meter supplied and fitted. So that takes everything into account. What it's also done is populated a description for me as well based on the item that I clicked. So it's telling me supply and fit shower 2. Now we could name that supply and fit a Myra 9.5 kilowatt, for example. Fit and grout tiles, we can change that to supply and fit blue tiles and grout as required using grey grout, for example. And then supply and fit electric Bluetooth mirror, we could again word that as you need to be. But you hopefully get the idea of what it can do. This is just one of the things that ServiceMate can do with online services if it's created and set up properly. And it's a great way of, even if you don't want to give the customer the price themselves, if you're out on site with the client and you want to be able to go through and show them pictures and make offerings of what it is they can choose, it's a great way of giving them an image and then letting them press, well, I want that one, that one, that one, and that one. And you'll know yourself that shower 2 is whatever it is because we'll call it a Myra 7.5, for example. So it wouldn't be a number 2. I've just called it that for the purposes of this video. So that's a quick insight as to how ServiceMate can do stuff like that. And this can be done across any industry as well. It's not just for bathrooms, for example. Electricians can use this and other industries as well. Hopefully that has been an insight in ServiceMate. And if you like what you see, then please do get in touch and we can discuss any options or any features you'd like to know more about. Just drop me a message.